So Yeezy Day is right around the corner, and of course today we're going to go over some of the new information that you guys need to know. I'm going to help you guys get ready for Yeezy Day, and then of course we've got a new foam runner that has just uploaded to the Adidas Confirmed app, so we're going to make sure that you know how to cop or just how to get ready for that release as well. So to start off, let's get into Yeezy Day. As of right now, we've got two different kind of dates, so two different Yeezy days. I guess we've got two Yeezy days. So the first one is Monday the 2nd of August, and that is going to be just for the US. So yes, US is going to get their Yeezy Day first, which is kind of a good thing for us out here in the EU. You know, we get to see how it goes down, any surprises. Maybe it just helps us cop some more sneakers on our Yeezy Day, which is going to be the very next day. Tuesday the 3rd of August is when the EU and China are going to have Yeezy Day. So I think this is pretty cool. However, it's a little bit more region based than we kind of thought, or at least I thought it was going to be worldwide, and now we know that it is only the EU, China, and of course the US. Okay, so where are you going to be going for Yeezy Day? What's the place that, is it the Confirmed app? Is it the website? Well, let me break that down. Out in the US, you guys of course have Yeezy Supply, you have the Adidas splash page, and of course you have the Adidas Confirmed app. So those are going to be the three places that Adidas decides to drop pairs of shoes, and because there's so many, and obviously I guess you guys are aware by now, Yeezy Day is just going to be a bunch of sneakers that are restocking. It could be every hour. There's just a new pair of shoes that loads up, and again it's going to be at those three different places. I don't know whether it's going to be random or whether they'll have some kind of method of going from one to the other. Make sure that you have Yeezy Supply loaded up, the adidas.com/Yeezy, and of course the Adidas Confirmed app. So once you've covered all of your three bases, you know where to go and you're ready for whatever shoes you decide to pick up. So in the EU, obviously we don't have Yeezy Supply. That is exclusive to you guys out in the US. So we're going to be looking out on the adidas.com/Yeezy splash page, the Adidas Confirmed app, and potentially the Adidas app. However, I doubt it, but it's always worth just kind of keeping that one in the back of your mind. Now again, they could just drop these at random times and random different places, try and keep us on our toes, who knows, but there isn't any kind of official promo for this. Like, there's no set thing loaded up on the Adidas Confirmed app or anything like that. So what time does it start? Well, this is again a little bit hard to kind of tell you. I know here in the UK, we normally get Yeezy releases at 7 a.m, sometimes even earlier, so I would make sure that you're awake nice and early on Yeezy Day if you don't want to miss out on that first release. Now out in the US, I'm not 100% sure what time you guys normally get Yeezys. I believe it's like 9 a.m, but again, that's going to differ depending on what part of the US you're in. It'd kind of be cool to see some region exclusives thrown into the mix, but we really don't know at this point. All we know is that there are a ton of different sneakers dropping. We've got reflective Yeezy 350 V2s, we've got a bunch of different Yeezy 700s, including the Wave Runners, which kind of like my highlight. They are the one that I want the most. We've got some MNVNs, some 500s. There's just a whole bunch of Yeezys. Now, something that's loaded up here in the EU, I'm not 100% sure whether it is loaded up for you guys out in the US just yet, but the Yeezy Foam Runner MX Cream Clay has now been uploaded onto the Adidas Confirmed app. Now here in the UK, it is loaded up for Monday the 2nd of August, so that just kind of shows that, you know, we're not going to be getting Yeezy Day on that Monday. We're just going to be getting this pair of foam runners. So of course I'm going to go over all of the ways that you can grab this Yeezy foam runner if it is one that you're trying to get. So out here in the UK, all I can say is that it's uploaded onto the Adidas Confirmed app. So the first thing you want to do if you want this pair of foam runners is go and enter that release. Just make sure you have the app downloaded, make sure you have all of your payment information. Of course, you're going to click participate and it should say that you are in the draw. I have heard that this is going to be a pretty limited pair of Yeezy foam runners, so if this is a colorway that you particularly want, I would definitely cover all of your bases, enter as many raffles as possible, and of course, like always, I'm going to throw in as many raffles as I can possibly find down into the description, so you guys can just go through there and tick the list, make sure you enter as many as you feel comfortable with. In terms of resale value, I think this foam runner is probably going to go pretty high. We've seen a lot of the different foam runners go up in value over time. I mean, I don't have to tell you how in high demand the foam runners are in general. And this is a pretty solid colorway. I can only imagine that these over time would only get more and more expensive, so you definitely want to get them on release day. Now, it was rumored that we were supposed to be getting two different colorways of the Yeezy foam runner, the ochre pair and then of course the MX Cream Clay. Day. However, we haven't seen the ochre pair, so maybe that is a hidden release for Yeezy Day, or maybe it has been delayed again from its original July release date to further into August. Now, of course, if you want to stay up to date with not only this Yeezy Foam Runner release, but any Yeezy updates, including Yeezy Day, be sure to go and follow me over on Instagram at @LBellSneakers. I'll make sure I keep you guys up to date throughout the day as the different releases drop. That way you'll make sure to not miss anything as Yeezy Day goes along. So again, guys, we have a huge amount to look forward to this Yeezy Day, and of course this Foam Runner release. I'm honestly super excited. We haven't seen a Yeezy release in a long while. It's been at least a good few weeks, so I'm super excited to see what happens. I haven't experienced Yeezy Day just yet. Last time it was out in the US, so we're finally getting one over here, and I think it's going to be a good time. So definitely go and follow me over on Instagram if you want to stay connected and stay up to date during Yeezy Day. If you have any more questions about Yeezy Day or this Foam Runner release, feel free to go and DM me over on Instagram. I'm happy to help you guys out. Good luck to everybody out there going for a pair of sneakers this Yeezy Day. Go and let me know down in the comment section what you're trying to go after. What is your highlight sneaker for the entire Yeezy Day experience? For me, it's got to be the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. That's got to be my highlight. But again, let me know what yours is down in the comment section. Again, thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then,